Good morning, guys. Brand new week. Let's dive in. So, we start with our weekly to see what it did. We closed it in bearish. Now it has started in bearish, but if you check, no top week. Okay, might go to create top week and then come down because the resistance point. This is a support. The resistance is here. Okay, so and this is 48.30. Okay, so if we do go back down to a daily, we tried to push bullish but it refused. Now it has swept this region. If we do go onto a lower time frame, wait, before we go to a lower time frame, let's check something out. Okay, it touched this area and then came down, so it could be coming down to this or this. Okay, so this is 48.71 or 46.61. We just have to wait and see, and always wait for confirmations. Before we continue, let's check the news. Here's what happened on Friday. We had non-farm, which was less than expected. If we do open, you see forecast was 58, it came out as 92. That's bad. Okay, now if we do check also the unemployment rate, it was expected to stay at 4.3. It increased to 4.4. That means there are more people who are unemployed in the US. That's bad for the economy. You need more people to be employed in the economy to be doing better. Now let's go to today. Today we don't have any US news. We only have Chinese. Okay, so today no fundamentals, to affect the trading, but there could be fundamentals in terms of the war, so keep on checking. Okay, let's dive back. Okay, so now that you have seen that, if you do check the 4 hour, we could say that it has created a M structure. If you do check patterns in your trading, this is one of them. Look, it came to this region, came down to this region. No, this is bad. Delete. Okay, so here to here to here to here and to here. Shit. Why would I say that's a name pattern? It's because done this and it's affecting my, let me delete and draw manually. So here to here to here to here, and then we're there. Okay, so why would I say this is a name pattern? Look, okay, so this could mean that it would even go lower. Okay, so I'm expecting it to come to this region before it goes back up. Okay, but always check your confirmations. Right now it hasn't broken this region, because for it to have validly break this region, it needs to close below the wick. Okay, and also you need to be cautious about how it's doing. Like I usually use trend line as well. Here it's one of them. Okay, look, it bounced up on that trend line and went up. Now it has crossed back down, and now it's testing this current wick. Okay, current candle. So wait for it to close, sorry, to see what it's doing. Okay, the lowest usually go 1 hour in this analysis. Now it has refused. Now it's coming down, but you need to wait for the 4 hour to close. The 4 hour is closing in 17 minutes, not too far. So just wait for it to close to see if it will reject, and then you can now start checking for entry points. Okay, start checking for entry points where you can wait for, you can write it down for the short term. Okay, remember, for the long term we are very bullish, very bullish. We are just now retracing, and then you can go back up. Even for the monthly, you see, this is the first month that we are having a ride, so be careful. Okay, but other than that, we stay frosty, stay sharp, follow our rules, and we'll win. So cheers.